Okay, I'm recording. Are you gonna talk?
Got my 243. We got a 2-pound explosive target in the microwave. Want to see what happens here.
Well, don't shoot it yet. Let me zoom in on it. It's blurry.
No, that part is with me. You need to stand for it.
It's recording. I can see it. It's just blurry on the camera.
Everybody ready?
Yeah, guys.
You missed it.
I missed it.
You missed it with that one.
That's what I said. I was talking about it in Mexico. They told me they didn't know we got the gun to shoot.
My gun does.
At 200 yards, you shoot straight on.
Pretty close.
That's why I woke up to you.
There it is. I can see the big orange spot in their microwave down there. 200 yards away.
Ready again?
I'm recording still. I've been recording. There's pieces clean up here, Samuel!
Yeah, I seen that one piece come clear up here. Didn't miss it that time.
Holy shit! Look at the smoke cloud going out across the field yet! Oh my! Dude, there's pieces everywhere, look! It's all over the... It disintegrated it! There's a piece of it! Look!
That's why it said 200 yards.
I'm still recording. That's another piece of it.
Wow.
Holy Jesus Christ!
Holy gumbole. That was awesome. Just had to hold a little bit to the right. My scope's about an inch right. That done the trick.
Oh my!
Awesome!
Look at the smoke cloud! The smoke's still lingering, dude! If the cops don't show up, it'll be a miracle. I'm still, here's a piece. There's another piece. You should have brought a bucket. He's gonna need it.
Give me a bucket.
There's another piece. Holy shit. Nothing compared to that though. There's another piece. Holy fuck.
You just get the aftermath and I'll bring Dad's truck out and pick up the pieces.
Holy shit, there's some pieces of cardboard. Right there. Pieces of the microwave. That's all shrapnel of the microwave all over the place here.
Hey. Now that's how you take care of a microwave.
Holy hell.
Whoops.
Dude, it fucking disintegrated it.
Yeah.
Like nothing left of it.
Yeah.
Nothing.
There's barely any code board left.
And now you're in trouble. There's Hank. Holy
I
shit.
think I killed him.
You're still in trouble. No, they just came up the lane. Yeah, look. Look, it's stuck in the tree. Like, stuck deep in the tree.